What if you could unlock a powerful tool that multiplies your reviews effortlessly, almost magically? ServiceMonster and Nice Job unite to create a seamless experience for home service businesses seeking reviews. Many companies deliver exceptional service but struggle to gain the recognition they truly deserve. A lackluster online presence and few reviews often hold businesses back from reaching potential customers. With Nice Job's amazing reputation marketing software, businesses like CleanCare have seen a staggering review increase. CleanCare achieved an unbelievable 1,494.7% growth in reviews, transforming their visibility in the marketplace. One Clean Air experienced an astounding 4.47 times boost in online reviews, dramatically enhancing their reputation. Business owners like David and Sherry from CleanCare credit Nice Job for significant increases in conversions. Automating review requests has never been easier, seamlessly aligning customer interactions with your business goals. Take charge of your online reputation. Partner with Nice Job to elevate your business to new heights.